I'm Kimmy,
I'm Olivia.
and this is our recipe to make a marshmallow. Step 1, creating a parabola. A parabola can be defined as a locus of points in a plane which are equidistant from a given point, our focus. The way it applies to us is that the light hits the parabola and then will reflect back to the one intersection point, our focus. By placing the marshmallow in the focus, the sun rays will hit it from any place on the cooker, thus cooking our marshmallow. Step 2 of basic parabola information.
The parabola equation.
The general equation is parentheses y minus k parentheses squared equals a parentheses x minus h parentheses, with the vertex equaling h comma k.
In the equation, a equals 1 over 4p, where the focus is h plus p comma k, and the directrix is x equals h minus p. Now let's head outdoors and begin. Step 4. I headed over to our local convenience market and picked up a few ingredients we might need to make our marshmallow. Ingredient number 1, some nice shiny tin foil. You want to keep the creases out of it as much as possible, so we'll do a bit of ironing later. A marshmallow. This is, of course, like the most necessary ingredient to make a marshmallow. Just one. A skewer. This is how we will be cooking the marshmallow. And, of course, I picked up some cardboard because we have to make our solar cooker. Step 5. Kimmy, how are we going to make our solar cooker?
Step 6, do a little research. I did a little research with this cardboard. You gotta cut some nice pieces out of it, just like this. Just like that?
But Kimmy, what are we going to do with all those pieces?
Step 7, grab a CD at your local record music playing shop, and then put that right in the center, and you go like this, and you line them all up next to each other, and then you try to make them stand. But it's gotta be all at once.
That does not look like a solar cooker to me.
Step 8, after a little bit of gluing and some paper mache, the first ever marshmallow cooker. Ta-da!
After ironing the tinfoil, I'm going to test this out. A perfectly toasted marshmallow! The first ever marshmallow cooked on the solar cooker. I'm impressed, Kimmy. Remember that this marshmallow only got this toasty because I placed it exactly at the focus. Let's head back inside to talk about how we figured out that. Through careful calculation, we determined that if we had our focus at about 46 centimeters from the middle of our paraboloid, that would result in remarkable cooking. So, we drew out some notes, and we determined that since A, which is part of the equation like we talked about before, equals 1 over 4p, and p in this case equals 46, that our equation would be y equals 1 over 4 times 46 centimeters, the height of our focus, x squared, which equals y equals 1 over 184 x squared. That is the equation for our parabola. When I told Kimmy our equation for our parabola, she looked at me and she said, well, how do we know that's right? And so I told her that why not fill in a point for x and see if y equals what our measurement would equal. We chose an arbitrary point of 35 centimeters. So we measured 35 centimeters, which was right about here, and we plugged it into our equation. We plugged it in such that it read y equals 1 over 184, 35 squared. And our result was that y equals 6.65 centimeters. So, from 35 centimeters, we measured down, and guess what we got? 6.65 centimeters. Therefore, proving the accuracy of our equation.
Hope this helps you with your future cooking.